This is not happening for the first time. Almost from 20 years, we are facing the same problem. This is Sai layout. I've got my own house here. From past 3 to 4 years, these ministers came. They told everything is done. They're opening a new vent over there, and they told that everything is sanctioned from central. If you call central, they'll tell state, from state to central.
It's been happening for a few years, and this is a problem that's not just started now. Every time when there's rain, there's so much of problem, and all the people in the local suffer with it. And it's if you see, it's only in this 200-300 radius meter because of the there's no proper sewage holes here, and it's not bigger. So all the water stays on the road, and a lot of people suffer because of that. As you can see all those people standing, they can't go. And because of this college, school and workplace, it all gets affected.
This is the second time I'm coming here. The thing is, whenever I'm coming here, I'm seeing this. Whenever I'm coming here, this is the second time I'm seeing here. Okay, everyone is telling that they're going to clear that Raj Khalway and all, but still they are not.
Block the Raj Khalway.
Yeah. From the water is reversing from there. Yeah, that is what it is happening here.
You complained the DBMP.
Yeah, everyone we complained it.
Still they are not coming.
No. From past here everyone is telling me from past 20 years they're facing the same issues.
So you people need a permanent solution for this.
Yeah, we've got a permanent solution for this, but no one is doing the permanent solution.
This is not happening for the first time. Almost from 20 years, we are facing the same problem. This is Sai layout. I've got my own house here. From past 3 to 4 years, these ministers came. They told everything is done. They're opening a new vent over there, and they told that everything is sanctioned from central. If you call central, they'll tell state, from state to central. Okay, that problem is solved. Already the vent work has been started. Last year when all the ministers came, what they told us, they guaranteed us that no, this year if rain comes, nothing is going to happen. But every now and then I'll go and check the site where the repair is, where the solution is being done, but nothing is happening. These people, they don't do any follow-up. They do nothing. They do only 1 month. All the ministers, when it is fully flooded,
How many waterlogging, madam? Maybe
almost 500 houses waterlogging is there. And last time and all, yearly when it is raining 2 or 3 times, but every now and then now it's happening. 2 days back, my house was fully flooded. My car was fully, I met with an accident. I took the car and I met with an accident. Again, I had to do the treatment for the people. The car is in the garage. Now again, after 2 days, again the same problem is there. My name is Nilofer. And they are telling BBMP, they have changed the name, Greater Bengaluru Palike. This is Water Bengaluru Palike. No need to have that name. Tell them to change the name and write Water Bengaluru Palike.
तो बारिश 3-4 घंटे 5 घंटे से ज्यादा पड़ता है तो रोड में ऐसे पानी जम जाता है। और हमारे अपार्टमेंट में तो बेसमेंट है, बेसमेंट में सब गाड़ी अटके हुए हैं, कोई भी गाड़ी नहीं निकाल पा रहा है। और सब पॉपुलेशन का तो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ही एकदम बंद हो जाता है। इतने लोग बस पे डिपेंडेंट रहते हैं, कुछ लोग ऑटो पे। ऑटो वाले ऐसे वेदर में एक्स्ट्रा पैसे पूछते हैं, वरना ऑटो राइड कैंसिल कर देते हैं।
में खाना को
हाँ, अभी यहाँ तो 1-2 दुकान खुले हुए हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे अगर दूध हो गया, सब लोग यहाँ से आके दूध खरीदेंगे। दूध हो गया तो वहाँ जाना पड़ेगा, वहाँ कैसे जाएंगे? तो बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो दुकान जाके आते हैं अपने घर के लिए, छोटे बच्चे, उनको भेजना ऐसे पानी में सही नहीं लगता मुझे।
Siddaramaiah government has become so insensitive when people are worst affected due to heavy rains from last 2 days in Bangalore. State government is busy in celebrating 2 years completion at Hospet. People are suffering. Instead of celebrating 2 years completion, Chief Minister and also Deputy Chief Minister, they keep talking about Greater Bangalore. Just by naming Bangalore as a Greater Bangalore is not going to help the people of Bangalore. They have to work. All the contractors' payment has been stopped due to which development work has stopped. So they have to immediately ask the contractors to continue their work.
There is no fully working BBMP, sir, and condition of the Bengaluru is looking worse.
This is the government, rather than concentrating on work, on development work, they are busy with advertisement.
There are two locations where we are finding some issues for which some ongoing works are there, and we have to complete them. Plus, I think we will have to look for other better solutions. At Silk Board, what we see is that the moment the carrying capacity of the downstream canal is not enough. I will ask my team to see what is the best solution beyond this, because with this kind of rain, there is always going to be clogging. Of course, internally there are some issues of taking water, clogged drains, etc., which we will resolve. I mean, in the areas around BTM, I believe that there is some issues of cross drainage, etc., which may remove the problem from BTM, but it will transfer the problems to the Silk Board junction itself, because at the end of the day, if we are not able to take this water out at this quantity, because it's coming from the upstream, then there is a problem. As you know, today also for half an hour, 45 minutes, there was a stoppage in traffic because Rupen Agrahara to Silk Board junction, there was water. So I'll go back to my team. They are already putting some projects in for the World Bank project. Let us see if there are something else we can do. Okay, the second point I just wanted to mention, the other area of course is, which has been highlighted yesterday, is there is a requirement to increase the width of the drain line for carrying water away from in North Bangalore near Kethalali. So those are two areas which will be a priority soon.
So many more affected areas like Hulimavu, Sarjapura, and near the Wipro office. All these areas are affected.
Those are.
Any solutions need to be.
See, most of the areas, if you look at it, last year the biggest problem was at Yelahanka, near the Kendriya Sadan, not Kendriya Vihar, which has now no longer, the drainage line is through, so it's no longer such a major issue, it's not highlighted. So I think most of the places, if there are some small interventions taken, definitely we'll be able to resolve the issue. The issue will focus
How
this
the
year.
civic authorities feel about it?
Obviously, the directions have come to the Honorable Chief Minister yesterday that we have to ensure that we take the best action possible.
You are also visiting from the morning. What is the present situation?
The present situation, I think today morning we have got information about high rainfall in RR Nagar, but there has been no major issues other than low-lying areas, a couple of places, and other than that, there is nothing else except Silk Board again because of rains in the catchment area.
Thank you so much.